We are running up the ramp to the Swamp Fox right now. It's a roller coaster. We're going to take you guys with us, so let's go. Or walking up the ramp.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we have our daughter and my niece in town, so we're going to go try out Family Kingdom. We finally made it out after all this rain. Let's go ride some rides.
So there's no alcoholic beverages, roller skates, roller blades, bicycles, hoverboards, skateboards, loitering, pets, coolers, and firearms.
And this is pretty cool. So you don't have an actual teller at the stand. You can check your own self out with these credit card machines. That's pretty cool.
What happened to the olden days?
I know it, but I really wanted to see if you could purchase like ones and twosies or 3 tickets, because I'd like to ride, but I actually don't want to pay for a wristband. So here are some of the credits and the tickets that are needed.
For credits.
Thought you were going to try the Dragon Coaster, right, for $5.
I don't know if that's the new one or not. I wanted to do the roller coaster.
So what you do is you purchase your wristbands over there, and you do still have to pick them up from a teller right across.
So there is a live person around here.
So make sure you check out the website for Family Kingdom hours.
All right, so how does it work?
Okay, so we just went ahead and got the card, but you can get a wristband if you're going to be here all day. The wristbands are around $48, but we just got a card and loaded like 53 credits on it. I'm not sure how much each ride is worth. Oh, it says that like that's 6 credits. Like a normal hurricane ride is 6 credits. So each ride is about 5 to 7 credits, I guess you would say. So we just got 53 credits on here, and then you can just load as you go. Keep loading money if you want to ride more.
I'm thinking about getting on this one right here, the Swamp Fox. Good gosh. Hey! What's up, everybody? We're here at Family Kingdom with the Smoky Mountain Family. Woo! Check out their videos. They do everything Myrtle Beach as well. Their videos for Myrtle Beach and everything in the mountains like Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, and all the surrounding area. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, as the girls are going to ride and I'm trying to get up the courage, let's walk around and see what they have. They're supposed to have a new ride. Oh, look, Gizmo. I haven't seen that in a long time.
Which one of these prizes do you want?
The Gremlins.
Which color?
Yeah, I thought it was Gizmo.
It is Gizmo.
Oh, okay. And they have swings. Whenever Brayton was little, she used to love to ride the swings. Remember that?
I'm thinking about getting on the Swamp Fox right here.
So there's a lot of kiddie rides. Here's another little roller coaster that's probably, I could ride that one. They have the little log ride across over there. The sun's peeking through. So I think it's going to turn out to be a pretty day. And we have a screamer. Now earlier we heard that they couldn't get the seats to close. So kids were like getting off. I don't blame them. some lemonade. Was it good, Kendall? Oh, yum. Refreshing, huh? So the girls are going to try their luck. All right, Brayton, are you ready?
Here we go. Hope I don't drop it. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, you're doing good. You're doing good, you did great. We're almost done. It's dirt. Whoa! Snap.
Some people in our company had to get tattoos. Real tattoos from the Real Tattoo Airbrush King.
$5 and up. And of course, we can't skip on the hand-tossed pizza, cold drinks. Let's check it. Oh my goodness, look at there. They got the cheese and the pepperoni. That looks good. And don't forget the funnel cakes and the elephant ears. Fresh squeezed lemonade too. Yummy. But that's what we were fighting pretty much all day long. So I'm so glad to see that we see blue skies, because every little thing is gonna be all right. I believe we've come at a good time. It's about 5:30, 6 o'clock, maybe right now on a Friday night. It's not packed. It's beautiful, isn't it? Alrighty, and now we're coming up on the bumper cars, which is very easy to ride. I think everybody can do the bumper cars. No one's scared of those. Look at there. Everybody having a good time, smiling faces. Oh my goodness, and look up there at the slingshot. Woo-wee! No, never. What about you, Big Box?
I think lightning's gonna strike them. They go too high.
Dang, now that's scary. All right, Brayton, so we pretty much built up your daddy. Are you ready? So I see you kind of worried. You think you built up enough courage yet?
Get on the swings?
No.
Or to get on the roller coaster?
That.
Maybe.
So they also have a midway grill. Let's see what they have. They have a chicken sandwich, chicken strips, Philly steak, cheeseburger, hamburger, corn dog, hot dog. Ooh, I would like a corn dog. Onion rings, and add jalapenos, and nachos and cheese. Yum. You want a corn dog before you go on that ride?
Heck no.
Okay, they're about to get on. Oh, they look scared.
We are running up the ramp to the Swamp Fox right now. It's a roller coaster. We're gonna take you guys with us, so let's go. Or walking up the ramp. I don't fall out.
All right, so we just got ourselves buckled in, and there's the sun, and behind us is the ocean that we'll see shortly. So we're having a good time, aren't we, Brady?
Yep. A lot of people are coming on now.
Lots of people.
About to break this wood.
Yep.
It is all-wooden roller coaster from 1966. All right, they put the bar down.
Here, let me see it.
What?
It says Family Kingdom is not responsible for lost or damaged articles. Right there.
Get it?
You better hold on to that little gimmick. I hope it does. I hope it don't fall off.
We hope you enjoyed that crazy ride that we about fell out. Tune in next time when we pick up our guts.
Well, I think the rain held out and we've completed this Family Kingdom tour just in time. Look at that storm.
Woo! Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching. And there's the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh.